Hi everyone, this is Kim Goyette. I am so excited to announce that I just published a book and it's called Just Plain Crazy, the ultimate guide to affordable, adventurous world travel. It was inspired by my family's year-long trip around the world, and when I got back in 2019, I knew I had to share our amazing story and adventure with everyone. In this book, it's all about how to create your world travel dreams, and I want to inspire people to live their biggest, most fulfilling life. I wanted to share with you an excerpt of the introduction that I wrote to inspire people to pick up a copy and take action on their world travel dreams. So here we go. If you've picked up this book, it means you have a spark of interest in living an extraordinary life. You are curious about existing outside the proverbial box, and you are ready to take the first steps towards living your dreams. My intention for this book is to inspire people to live beyond their own self-created limits and to venture outside the boundaries of the norm, because in that space, magic exists. How do I know that magic exists there? I know this because I experienced magic firsthand when my family of 3 took off for 1 year to travel around the globe. Through our own personal journey, I have developed this guide to walk you step by step along the path of manifesting your dream of world travel. Why? It's simple. I wanted to share the magic. This guide is your ticket to living your own magnificent story. Don't fear. I will hold your hand throughout the whole process as we maneuver through the stages of world travel manifestation, such as funding your adventure, picking your route, planning your trip, knowing what to pack, choosing the right time to go, finding incredible travel deals, homeschooling while on the road, and much, much more. Even better, you will learn from all the hilarious mistakes we made along the way so you can develop plenty of confidence in your own world travel capabilities. If we can do it, you can do it too. It doesn't matter what life situation you are in, world travel is for everybody. Your financial state, relationship status, job position, and family stage have no bearing on your ability to travel the globe in style. All you need is to ignite your imagination and make your dream a reality. So let's dive in. If that sparked an interest in any part of you and you feel alive within just by listening to some of the things that you can create in your own life, pick up a copy of Just Plain Crazy Travel today on Amazon. And it's only 99 cents for 1 day only. 99 cents. This is your ticket to ultimate travel. Thanks so much.